Hey everyone, welcome back. Relationships can be tricky, right? But there are some zodiac signs that seem to have it all figured out. They know exactly how to communicate, how to keep the spark alive, and how to make love last. So today we're talking about the top 5 zodiac signs who are relationship masters. Whether it's their deep emotional intelligence, their natural charm, or their ability to balance everything with ease, these signs make relationships look effortless. Let's dive in. Zodiac sign number 1, Libra. First up, we have Libra. Ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, Libras are natural relationship experts. Known for their diplomatic nature, Libras excel in keeping things balanced and fair. They have a deep need for harmony in relationships and are excellent at seeing things from their partner's point of view. Their charm and ability to communicate effectively make them the perfect partner in any relationship. Zodiac sign number 2, Cancer. Next, we have Cancer. Cancer is all about emotions, and they lead with their hearts in relationships. They're incredibly nurturing and protective, always making sure their loved ones feel supported. Their empathy and intuitive nature make them excellent listeners, and they truly understand the emotional needs of their partners. Cancer brings comfort and security into any relationship. Zodiac sign number 3, Taurus. Third on the list is Taurus. Taurians are known for their loyalty and steadfastness. When they commit to a relationship, they give it their all. They value stability and security, and they're willing to work hard to maintain a solid, lasting partnership. Taurus is also incredibly sensual, making them a comforting and loving presence in any relationship. Zodiac sign number 4, Pisces. Now, let's talk about Pisces. Pisces is often referred to as the dreamer of the zodiac, and their romantic side is second to none. They are incredibly intuitive, compassionate, and emotionally intelligent, which makes them excellent partners. Pisces just knows what their partner needs without having to be told, and they're always willing to go the extra mile to make the relationship feel special. Zodiac sign number 5, Capricorn. Last but definitely not least, we have Capricorn. Capricorn may not be the most overtly romantic sign, but they are absolute relationship pros when it comes to stability and long-term commitment. They're practical, dependable, and hardworking, and they approach relationships with a serious and responsible attitude. Capricorn knows that building a strong foundation is key to lasting love, and they're more than willing to put in the effort. So those are the top 5 zodiac signs who are relationship masters. From the emotional depth of Cancer to the grounded loyalty of Capricorn, these signs know how to make relationships thrive. Do you agree with the list, or is your sign the real relationship master? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more astrology insights.